So till now we have mocked the data of the service and checked the methods with the help of these test cases, but we can't tell how many times the method has been called, which might be important when the method is not independent, that is individually called. So I'm going to create a different service using different method called spy. This time we are actually going to use the live service. So we are going to set the test bed and we are gonna set the variable for the service and spy. So this time I am setting the test bed just in the provider array, that is the main service, that is the test service. And we will call the SpyOn that will actually have the method which we want to monitor, and we are passing the service. So we have got the service by injecting, and on the SpyOn we are passing the service and the method to which I am going to monitor. And here also I am not going to use the actual live service data. I will stub the values. We are gonna tell the spy to return the value that is the observable of this content, data 1 to data 5. So what is gonna is, you want to allow us to see whenever this method is being called, we want to check whether it is actually called or not, and it is never going to make the live request, so it will just stub the live value. It will actually call the service, but it will return you the stub value. And our spy is ready, and let us try to write our expectation in this spec. So on our initial, I want to check whether the component content is blank array, and when we are calling the function getAllRecords, it has been called the getAll method, and we need to check this particular method should have been called, and our expectation is that content should set the value. Also we need to check spy.calls.all should having the length to be equal 1. So now you can see one of the tests is getting failed because here it is expecting connection 0101, because here it is returning 0101, and we have previously checked why the test stub value 0202. So now we need to correct it 0101. So this is how we can check whether the method is getting called or not with the help of calling the live service and stubbing the value. Thank you so much.